Okay, so for today, we are going to learn about how to use the average on Google Sheet and how to use the conditional statements. So the first thing that you should do is to log in on your Gmail account and then go to your Google Apps. From there, you need to go to Sheets in order for you to open your Excel file. Okay, so let's begin with the blank sample. Okay, so let's say for example, I will be showing here some series of grades that we will compute. Okay, so this is my example. So let's get the average. In order for you to get the average, you have to start or to begin with an equal sign, then average, then parentheses, select the 4, parentheses, then enter. So the average of the 4 numbers is 84. So let's try another one. Let's have 89, 72, 85, 70. Let's look for the average. So again, equals, average, parentheses, select the 4, parentheses, and enter. So 79 is the average of the 4 numbers. Okay, now, how are you going to use the conditional statements for this one? So, conditional statements is like setting up a condition wherein the given numbers will be compared in order for the Google Sheet to give you an automatic evaluation of the number. So let's say, for example, I am setting a grade of 80 for the passing score. So all scores equivalent to 80 or 80 and above should display the word pass. And if in case that the score is below 80, like 79 and below, it will display the word fail. So let's begin with an equal sign. If, parentheses, select the number, okay, to compare, greater than or equals to 80, comma. So if the statement there is true, you write pass or you display pass. And if not, you display fail. And press enter. So pass because it is 84. That's 80 points and above. So in order for you to apply the same formula, you just have to drag it here. So it's failed because it's 79 below, it's 79 below 80. So therefore, it displays the word fail. Okay. Now, let's use the min and the max function of your Google Sheet. So when we say min, it displays the smallest number on the series. So equals to min, parentheses, then select the numbers, parentheses, then enter. So min, it means that the smallest number in the series is 70. Okay, equals, let's now use the max. Max is the maximum number or the biggest number, that is 95. So that's correct. 70 is the smallest, 95 is the largest. What if I wanted to count how many numbers are there on my selection? So that's the time that we're going to use the count. So count, parentheses, select all the numbers that you want to check on, parentheses, and enter. So 8. So it says there that there are 8 numbers on your selection. Okay, so that is how you use the min, max, and count function plus the average formula and the conditional statements.